everyone, welcome back to the channel. And buckle up, because what you're about to see isn't just a motorhome. It's a Lamborghini mansion on wheels. Yeah, you heard that right. Lamborghini has officially entered the world of luxury motorhomes, and the result looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Imagine taking the heart of a supercar and stretching it into a 45-foot rolling palace. That's exactly what this 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome feels like. Aggressive, breathtaking, and impossibly luxurious. The moment you see it, your brain just pauses. It's futuristic, it's intimidating, and it's absolutely stunning. The exterior alone could make you stop in your tracks. It's sculpted in Lamborghini's signature angular design language, where every line, every vent, every sharp edge feels like it's been carved by aerodynamics itself. The body is finished in a dual-tone combination of pearl white and jet black, accented with subtle gold detailing that whispers power rather than screams it. Huge LED strips trace along the edges, glowing like neon veins under the skin of this mechanical beast. The windshield stretches up like the cockpit of a fighter jet, and those massive wheels, 6 at the rear and 2 up front, give it a stance that says, "I own the road." And on the side, a panoramic mural that looks like a desert sunrise, reminding you that this isn't just transportation. It's an experience meant to be seen. This thing is part yacht, part spacecraft, and part luxury villa. You can easily imagine it parked beside a Monaco marina or rolling through the deserts of Dubai. But open the door and step inside, and you'll realize the outside is just a warm-up. The interior feels like walking into a Lamborghini concept lounge. All sleek black leather, gold trim, and polished carbon fiber surfaces that shimmer under ambient lighting. The living area wraps around you with plush U-shaped sofas designed for both style and comfort. You've got panoramic windows revealing a city skyline or a mountain sunset, while subtle LED lights run along the edges, changing color with your mood. Right in front, a massive curved OLED screen takes center stage. Not just for movies, but for full smart home integration. You can control lighting, climate, and even the motorhome's driving modes from the touch of your fingertips or your voice. Then there's the kitchen. Not the kind you expect in a motorhome, but the kind you'd find in a 5-star penthouse. Mate black cabinetry, gold hardware, and pure white quartz countertops blend perfectly with Lamborghini's design DNA. Every appliance is flush-mounted, touchscreen operated, and energy efficient. There's a high-tech induction cooktop, a refrigerator with smart controls, and even a leather-trimmed dining nook that folds neatly away when not in use. It's compact, but it doesn't feel small. It feels perfectly designed, like every square inch has been engineered for luxury living. Walk further down the corridor, and you'll find the bedroom, the heart of comfort in this supercar sanctuary. A king-sized bed dressed in white and gold stitching sits under a canopy of soft LED lighting that mimics the glow of a sunset. Tinted glass windows offer privacy and views at the same time, while automated shades glide silently up or down at the push of a button. The closet doors are mirrored and backlit, revealing perfectly organized storage inside. And of course, your phone, your lights, and even your audio system are all connected. Because in this Lamborghini, luxury means never having to lift a finger. The bathroom is pure indulgence. Marble walls, gold accents, and a rainfall shower that could make any 5-star resort jealous. Heated towel racks, dual vanities, and a smart toilet with bidet functions make sure even your morning routine feels like an event. It's compact, but doesn't feel that way. The lighting, materials, and layout create this seamless sense of openness and calm. But make no mistake, this is still a Lamborghini. Underneath all the comfort is a powertrain worthy of the Bull badge. It's rumored to pack a V12-derived hybrid system delivering over 1,000 horsepower, enough to make this 12-ton luxury liner glide down the highway like a jet on wheels. The engine has been tuned for smooth torque delivery, ensuring that even while towing its massive body, it accelerates effortlessly. And with Lamborghini's active suspension tech and adaptive all-wheel steering, this isn't just a straight-line cruiser. It corners and rides like a dream. Even the driving experience feels like a science fiction movie. The cockpit is straight out of a fighter jet. Digital panels wrapping around the driver, holographic navigation displays, biometric start systems, and autonomous driving assistance that can take control when you want to relax. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a command center on wheels. Now, let's talk price. Because nothing this outrageous comes cheap. Early estimates put it around $3.5 million, which, believe it or not, actually makes sense once you realize it's replacing your car, your house, and your yacht, all in one jaw-dropping machine. And for that price, you're not just buying luxury, you're buying exclusivity. Only a handful of these are expected to be built, each one tailored to the buyer's personal preferences, with materials, colors, and even floor plans customizable. But beyond the numbers, here's what makes this Lamborghini motorhome truly special. It's not just transportation, not just comfort, and not even just speed. It's freedom, taken to an entirely new level. It's the idea that you can take the soul of a Lamborghini, the power and beauty of Italian design, and carry it with you wherever you go. Imagine waking up in the mountains, driving to the beach, or pulling up to a racetrack, all without ever leaving your living room. This isn't about escaping the ordinary. It's about redefining what's possible on the road. Lamborghini didn't just build a motorhome. They built a statement that says, luxury isn't just where you arrive, it's how you travel. So, what do you think? Would you live in this $3.5 million Lamborghini on wheels? Or do you think it's just a dream too wild to be real? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the world's most insane motorhome, hit that like button, subscribe for more futuristic rides, and turn on notifications so you never miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching. And remember, the future of travel doesn't need roads. It just needs vision.